Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find recordings on Zoom. Here's how to find the recordings on Zoom using the Zoom desktop app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your Zoom desktop app or your web app, whichever one you choose, and sign into your account if prompted. Now, after logging in, you're going to go ahead and click on My Account in the top right corner where your profile icon is located. So click on your profile icon here and hover over your account name and select OK. So select settings from the drop down menu, which we have here. Now in the left sidebar on the general, so this is the general section. In the left sidebar, you're going to find a couple of options here, and one of them includes recording. So go ahead and click on recording. This will open the cloud recordings page. This is computer recording. Okay, so cloud recording is not available because you need to upgrade to the premium version for you to access cloud recording. So, but now you're seeing computer recording because this is just local recording. Now, if you have, or if you're verified, or if you're using the paid version, you're going to see the cloud recording options here. So on the cloud recording category, you see a list of all your meetings that were recorded to the cloud. Now the recordings are listed by meetings, date, name, and time. You can also filter the recordings based on the date range if needed. So here in computer recording, you can see store my recording at this. You can also change, but you're going to see where all your recordings are stored here from your computer. So head over to your computer and see where these are stored. So users, user, documents, and Zoom. Now to download or share a recording, go ahead and click on the meeting title, and this will open a new page with options for that specific recording. Now to save the recording to your computer, go ahead and click the download button. If you want to share the recording, you can click on the share button. This is for cloud recording. You can click on the share button and you'll be given the link to send others to send to others, or an option to adjust privacy settings for the shared recording. If a recording was saved locally on your computer, it will not be listed on the cloud recordings page, which I specified. So instead, local recordings are stored in the Zoom folder on your computer. So just come over here and you see where your recordings are stored, which I've initially explained. In the cloud recording section, you can also manage your recordings by selecting the meeting recording and clicking the delete button if you no longer need it. Cloud recordings are available only for paid Zoom accounts. So free accounts typically record meetings locally unless you manually enable cloud recordings for webinars or other features. Local recordings can be found directly on your computer but are not stored in the Zoom web app. So these steps will guide you in locating and managing Zoom recordings effectively. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.